Join us for life stories
and meaningful moments in the community. Hey there, we're glad you're here.
Here's a question. Who do you trust?
Wow, that's a big question. We're Doug and Lynn Nodland from SharingLifeLessons.com. And Who Do You Trust was a game show years ago.
Right, and it was emceed by rising star at that time, Johnny Carson. Right.
So Who Do You Trust is not just an innocent game show anymore.
Right.
It's a serious question nowadays.
Right, a lot of people asking it about when it comes to the government or politics or healthcare.
And relationships.
Exactly.
Right.
And there's a quote by Frank Sonnenberg. He says, trust is like blood pressure. It's silent, vital to good health, and if abused, it can be deadly.
Yes, trust is not something that can be developed overnight. It has to be earned.
Exactly. And one simple mistake or a suspicious act, and suddenly everything goes back to square one.
Right.
And there's a popular saying that says, trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair.
We thought we'd talk about how important trust is to us individually and to our society.
Because trust helps us feel secure, loyal, and motivated.
So here are some ways to build and maintain trust.
It starts with good communication.
Knowing how, when, and what to communicate is important.
And active listening and respectful tone is also critical.
Right, and body language can either build trust or tear it down.
Next, honesty.
If people are known to be honest, then it's a good sign you trust them.
That's for sure.
But if there's been some dishonesty in their past, well, the warning is be a bit cautious.
Exactly.
They can change, but you want to know they've changed.
Right. Next, transparency.
And authenticity are important.
And make sure your intent and actions are clear.
And if there's some discrepancies, having some logical reasoning and some evidence can help clear those up.
Next, commitment.
Being able to work toward a good resolution is critical.
And knowing that the other person is going to be there when things get tough really helps build trust. Next, admit and apologize when things go wrong.
Saying sorry isn't easy, but when sorry comes, it also shows that there's an understanding and regret for actions.
And this makes it easier to earn back trust when someone's been wronged. Next, humbleness.
You may think that you have the right answer or know everything about it, but listen, because there's always something to learn from the other person.
And to be humble helps other people to feel safe and more likely to open up themselves. Next, congruency.
That means being clear about what's said and done, and not going back and forth and being wishy-washy.
And to trust, we want to know that the person is who they claim to be. So what about you? Do people trust you?
If so, congratulations.
George MacDonald says, to be trusted is a greater compliment than being loved.
As trust grows, people feel safe and love grows. We encourage you to assess the trust in your life, and then you'll be able to confidently answer, who do you trust? And as you build trust, you'll likely enjoy even more satisfying relationships.
We would love to hear your thoughts. You can contact us at WeCare at SharingLifeLessons.com.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.